Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video let me show you how to maximize your REPO game on your PC.
Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to minimize your FPS or lagging on your repo. So what you want to do first is lower your in-game settings. You want to go to your settings, then graphics. Set everything to low in order to have a less laggy screen. Next is set repo to high priority. Go on to your task manager. You want to press in this one, Control Shift Exit, and then right click on the details in order to see your repo. Then just set priority to high on your repo, then more power to the game. Next is disable background apps. You want to close your Chrome, Spotify, and all other memory hogs. The one that will appear right here on your manager, you want to turn that off and update your drivers, like update outdated GPUs. You want to upgrade to a better version in order to have a less sluggy game. And last one is game mode on your Windows. You want to search in game mode and turn it on so that it optimizes your system for gaming. Now relaunch your repo and enjoy smoother frames. Even your potato PC will thank you.